Sisters, this is Kathy. This is our first video with fundamentals of violin. So basically, this is a violin. There's a lot of different things about it. It can make a really high sound all the way up to here, and you can go down here to a low sound. That is actually the lowest you're going to get, which is a G. All right, there are a couple of ways you can actually play the violin. You can bow it. Or you can pizzicato. Okay, so the two different methods will actually have you come out with different types of sounds depending on what you're wanting to do. So basically, the different parts of the violin, there are things that you need to know. Obviously, we have the strings right here. On the violin, it starts with the G, D, A, and E. Lowest to high. G is the lowest and E is the highest string. Then we have our chin rest right here where we will actually put our chin down the road. We have the tailpiece as well as the pegs, and these are what actually keeps our strings on the violin itself. And in the tailpiece you will actually see certain things called, these little metal things called fine tuners. These as well as the pegs will actually help you learn how to tune the violin. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. As always, feel free to share this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with everyone. And I forgot what I was going to say. Sorry.